Password managers are your lifeline to surviving cybersecurity hacks in 2024. Password managers will give you services like strong encryption, multi-factor authentication, secure sharing, and breach alerts. Password managers will go a long way in helping to give you a solid password protection in 2024. You are welcome to Cyber Culture Interface. This is where we talk about cybersecurity issues. So, what is password protection? Password protection is simply like putting a digital lock on your personal information and or sensitive informations. On the internet today, most of our informations are out there because of our email services that we make use of, or social media, or our online banking apps, or even our online health records that are there because of the services of internet that most services that we enjoy today are making use of. So at one point or the other in our daily lives, we submit our information and we lock it up with password. We access this information anytime by providing our password. Cyber criminals today are devising sophisticated technologies and techniques to make sure that they get our passwords. And one of the things or one of the techniques they do is phishing and brute forcing, try and errors of different names, guessing your password, trying to guess the name and your password. Or phishing, sometimes they send you links pretending to be someone or pretending to be your bank, and then for you to provide information so that they can use that information, to log in. So password is something a cyber a hacker or a cyber criminal is always interested in getting from you, and this is what password management manager tools helps you, because protecting your password might be a daunting task because we have multiple accounts. We have Yahoo, we have Google, we have Amazon, we have Netflix, we have passwords that we are using every day to log into these services, and keeping tabs on all this password can be a daunting task. Apart from keeping tabs on the number of passwords we have, generating strong and complex password that we can easily remember can be a task or a difficult task too. One of the issues that people have with password is that they tend to use very simple password because they want to easily remember it. Therefore, they make use of common names or common words that people can easily guess. And this is what happens with brute forcing, where cyber criminals use a long list of common names to try using algorithm guessing passwords and username combinations. So generating complex password is very important, and this is where password managers, a tool like RoboForm, for instance, will help you generate strong and encrypted passwords. Also provides multi-factor authentication. These are things that help you to secure your password on the internet. And as a cybersecurity professional, you need to be able to make use of password management tools for yourself and also for your clients or for your organizations. A password manager will have things like a security center where it can tell you that your password is weak, or it has been used, or it has been compromised, and set up also breach alert so that if your password is being compromised on the internet, maybe your password or the name and your password that you are using has suddenly come into a list that is available on the internet among common names, a breach alert is sent to you using by this as a service provided by these password managers. So password managers help you to maintain best practices when it comes to password protection. One of the best practices is changing your password regularly, like every 30 days or every 60 days. Your password needs to be changed so that it can remain, secured. Password management tools help you to achieve this. So a link to this particular password management RoboForm is put in the description to this video, which is one that you can make use of and help you. It has different plans. You can subscribe for a free plan, and you can make use of a paid plans too. But in general, in 2024, password management or password managers is becoming more essential because cyber criminals are becoming more sophisticated. AI tools are coming up every day that is able to guess password and also design very real looking phishing sites, all in an attempt to lay hands on your password. So please make use of password manager tools, generate strong password, use multi-factor authentication, and make sure that your password are changed regularly. Once again, this is cyberculture interface. If you are watching this video for the first time, or you are coming across this channel for the first time, please like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Share this video with your friends and colleagues and help us maintain a digitally safe environment.